Are you a business owner struggling to unlock the full potential of social media to drive sales? Do you feel like your posts aren't converting into customers? Welcome to Social Media Executive, the channel designed to specifically help businesses like you to boost your sales, grow your brand, and master the art of social media marketing. I'm Bex, a social media trainer and consultant, and I've worked with over 800 businesses across the globe, got over 200 five-star reviews. So whether you're just starting out or looking to scale, this channel is packed full of proven strategies, expert tips, and the latest trends to turn your social media platforms into sales generating machines. There's going to be step-by-step tutorials on how to create engaging content that sells. There's going to be plenty of case studies from real business owners that have transformed their social media into revenue generating streams. There'll be plenty of insider tips on targeting the right audience, running effective ad campaigns and measuring success. And I'll break down those complex algorithms, those robots. I'm going to simplify social media tools and teach you how to convert your followers into loyal customers. There's going to be no fluff, just actionable advice that gets results. So no matter what your industry, whether you're in services, retail, e-commerce, I tailor strategies to fit your business goals. So do hit that subscribe button, turn on the notifications to make sure that you never miss a video. I post fresh content every week, keeping you ahead of the competition and at the forefront of social media trends. So start increasing your sales today. Join the community of businesses already seeing the impact. Subscribe to Social Media Executive and let's grow your business one post at a time.